Hey guys, today I can get these open on my own. By the way, they're really easy. So I'm going to make the video now. We are unpacking 2 Pokemon packs. I've opened one just in case, so we're going to do this one. So I'm just going to quickly do this and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got that open. Okay. So let's just get these out. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna just get rid of this. 1, 2. Okay. So we got a fossil, a claw fossil. Nice. Where is a Duot, which I think is the next evolution of Oshawott. I'm not sure what it's called, but I think it's Oshawott. We got Bravire. I can't pronounce this, but Bravire? Bravire? I don't know. And we got Apom. Then we got Drifloon. We got Mareep. We also got Fletchling. And Yanma. Woohoo! We got a reverse hollow Drifloon. And, whoa, that's cool, a hollow Chandelure. Okay, so now we are going to open this one. And by the way, they're both Steam Siege. So let's just get open. So we're starting off with a Pokemon Ranger trainer card. Tangrowth, which is Tangela's evolution, you can see there. Another trainer card of, what is that? Captivating Pokepuff. Ambulance. We got Fungus. We got Mankey. That's cool art. We got Shellos. We got Dino. Lavesta. You're probably having a go at me now. Oh, a reverse hollow Birdmite. And no way, we just got an EX card! We got an EX Volcanion. That's so rare! They're mega rare! I don't think I'm supposed to be getting that excited about an EX card, but that's awesome. So that is our Pokemon pack opening for today. See you guys later. Bye! Okay guys, I did not mean to do this. I don't think that these EXs are mega rare, but I do think that they are very rare. Tell me how good this one is. I don't know how good this one is, but please tell me in the comment section below. See you guys later. Bye-bye! Oh, and also, the next video will hopefully be better quality, because I did record this in the car, so that's why it was shaky. Okay, see you guys later. Bye!